Okay, so we have a Cassandra cluster with 3 nodes. And what we have at the left side is the schema of our data. And we open 3 Cassandra shells and check that we have the same data in the 3 nodes as expected. Okay, so the cluster is working normally. And now I'm gonna change. I mean, the 3 nodes have the same clock time, and I'm gonna change the clock time in one of the nodes so that it's a little bit delayed, and we'll make an experiment. I'm searching for the command. I don't remember how to change the date, but I did it before, so I have it in my history. Okay, so the 3rd node will be a few seconds delayed. This is very important because I want to show how important it is to have your nodes in the cluster synchronized. Your clocks synchronized, because if they are not, it's a little bit. You can see that the 3rd node doesn't have the same time as the other 2. So I'm going to make a partition by deconnecting the 3rd node. So now we have node 1 and 2 in one partition, and we have node 3, which is completely isolated, that we cannot even connect through SSH. But luckily we are using VMware, and we can use VMware's console to access our 3rd node. And we still see that we have the same data we had before. And we're gonna change the data first in the 2nd node, which is in the 1st partition, and then we change it in the other one a little bit later. So it should take the latest change. Once we get it, we put all the nodes together, and we reconnect the 3rd node to the cluster. But you will see that it doesn't exactly work like that, because Cassandra will take. See, we have one partition with exactly the same data in these 2 nodes, while in the other partition we have a complete different data. So when we reconnect, Cassandra will take. We're reconnecting now. Cassandra will take the latest, not the latest data, but the data with the latest timestamp. So since the 3rd node is a little bit behind the other 2 nodes, even if we did it after, the timestamp is lower, so it will still take the data. See, we're seeing the changes from the other partition, even if they are previous changes to the changes we did in the 3rd node. So it's very important to have our nodes synchronized, as you can see. And furthermore, even if we don't make any partition, if we insert something in the second node and immediately after we insert something in the third node, it won't take the changes from the third node because the timestamp is too far behind the other node.